Hey guys, so GoDuck just sent me their new under grill mat to review. So thought I'd just show you a quick on bag and then I'll go put it under the Blackstone on the deck and you can see it in the wild. So ships in this nice poly bag. Bag's coming off hard because it's got that grippy rubber back to it. You can see that there. And here it is. Very nice. So it's also grippy on the top side. You can see the finish there. So let's go put it under the Blackstone and you can see it there. There it is, guys. This is under my 36-inch 4-burner Blackstone. I also have a GoDuck silicone grill cover under there, so check that out if you need one of those. And there it is. It's going to protect my deck just perfect. All the drippings and everything else. Keep it nice and clean. So there you go. Check them out. I recommend them.